What's going on, guys? In this one, we're talking about the possibility of history-making news. A phantom drone causes a helicopter crash in South Carolina. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. Art here off the Dome Media Group in a not so good mood again. Earlier this week, a low-flying Robinson R-22 helicopter with an instructor and student aboard were forced to crash land trying to avoid a collision with what possibly could have been a DJI Phantom drone. Both the instructor and the student told the investigators that the DJI drone appeared directly in front of them, according to a Charleston police report. The instructor took over the controls and attempted to avoid a collision, and the tail of the helicopter hit a tree or brush, causing a crash landing. Fortunately, the instructor or the student weren't injured, although reports have it that the Robinson R-22 didn't fare as well. As you're probably aware, this is the second drone incident within the past couple of weeks. Before this week's incident, someone posted a video on Facebook of a drone hovering around McCarran International Airport in Las Vegas. I posted a not so happy video about that situation. I'll put a link up here somewhere so you can check out that video if you haven't seen it. In my opinion, for what it's worth, after the last incident with the drone and the plane at McCarran International Airport, I really felt that the FAA was going to come down hard on UAS or drone operators after that one. Looking at this last situation with this helicopter, it's almost a given that it's going to happen now. I don't even want to speculate about how difficult our lives could get as recreational or commercial drone operators after this one. The few things that I do know is that the industry is still in its infant stage, has a long way to go, and is not going anywhere. I also know that the SUAS or drone community is strong in the United States and strong globally. It's on us as a community to weed out those pilots that threaten our drone way of life, and we all know who they are. Pull them to the side, have a constructive conversation with them. Remind them that as responsible pilots that they must not fly beyond the line of sight and see and avoid all manned aircraft. Let them know that this SUAS or drone thing is bigger than them and that the bottom could fall out for all drone pilots behind something stupid like this. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm done. That's my rant for the day. What do you think? Do you know a pilot that could use a good constructive talk? Let me know in the comments section below. As always, subscribe, comment, like, follow, and share. And as usual, please, please, please fly safe. Peace.